Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use the Linux terminal from scratch, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to navigate, manage files, and even install apps. What is the terminal? The terminal is a text-based way to control your computer. Instead of clicking, you type commands. It's faster, more powerful, and used by almost every Linux user from beginners to professionals. Let's start this video. Open the terminal by searching terminal, or you can use Ctrl Alt T in some desktop environments like in KD Plasma. Here are the basic commands. To check your current directory, type pwd. If you want to list files and folders, type ls. If you want to list the permissions of the folder or the file, go type ls-l. If you want to list all the files and folders in this directory with hidden files, go type ls-a. If you want to change the folder, you can type cd folder name. If you want to go out the directory, go type cd dot dot. If you want to go to the home folder, go type cd tilde. And if you want to go make folder, go type mkdir folder name. And you can type touch to create a file. So you will type touch file.txt. Now that we know how to navigate folders, let's learn how to copy, move, and rename and delete files using the Linux terminal. To copy a file, type cp file.txt backup.txt. This command copies a file. Cp means copy. File text is the original file, and backup.txt is the new copied file. The mv command is used to move or rename files. Here, I'm renaming file.txt to file2.txt. To delete a file, run rm file2.txt. This deletes a file permanently. There is no recycle bin in the terminal. Once you press enter, the file is gone. If you wanna delete a folder, run rm-r folder name. In this case, I'm gonna use folder test. I wanna remove folder test. This deletes a folder and everything inside it. The -r means recursive. It removes all files inside the folder too. Be very careful when using this command. Never run rm delete commands unless you are sure. A small typo can remove the wrong file or folder. This is how you install apps running via your distro's package manager. If you're on Fedora, like me, run DNF. But if you're on Ubuntu or Debian, apt. So I can also update my packages by typing sudo dnf update. To install apps, run sudo dnf install. In this case, I'm gonna install CMatrix. So sudo dnf install CMatrix. If you're on Ubuntu, it will be sudo apt install CMatrix. Or in Arch, by the way, you will run pacman -capital S CMatrix. Now I installed CMatrix. Sudo lets you make changes safely. Always double check commands before using it. Otherwise, your system can break. Here are some helpful tips. If you wanna clear everything in the screen, go type clear. don't worry, it doesn't delete any files or programs. Press the up arrow to reuse the previous commands. In this case, I ran CMatrix a while ago. And you can use the man command for help, because man as in manual. Press Q if you wanna quit the manual, or if you're done reading it. Man can be helpful if you're not sure what a command does, or you wanna learn how to use it properly. Here are some fun terminal commands. Try cow say hello. Fortune vertical bar cow say. Fun way to experiment while learning the terminal. If you wanna install it, you will need to type sudo dnf install cowsay. But if you're on Arch, by the way, you will have to type sudo pacman -s capital S cowsay. Or in Ubuntu, you will need to type sudo apt install cowsay. If this video helps you understand the Linux terminal, like this video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials every Wednesday and Thursdays. If this video helped you, you can support the channel on Ko-fi. The link is in the description. Last thing I'll say, remember, don't run commands you don't understand. Always read first and practice safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.